Welcome to English Oddish. English for everyone.
Dear friends, first I will tell you a short story. You should pay your full attention to the entire story. At the end of the story, a few questions will be asked for your better comprehension. Hazrat Noah's Ark. Thousands of years ago, there lived a nation in Iraq. The people of this nation were very ignorant. They were disobedient to Allah and worshipped idols. They had completely forgotten their real Lord, Allah the Almighty. Then Allah sent Hazrat Noah to these people, as his messenger, who tried to convey Allah's message to his nation. He proclaimed, "O my people, worship Allah, because He is the only one who deserves to be worshipped." Unfortunately, most people did not listen to his message. Hazrat Noah continued preaching for many years, but his people did not believe him. Hazrat Noah warned them, but they did not pay any attention to his warnings and kept on sinning. Hazrat Noah also told the people, "My role is to convey the message, but Allah is the only one who can guide your hearts." At that time Hazrat Noah received a message from Allah Almighty, that only a few people would believe him. Then Hazrat Noah asked Allah to punish the rest of his nation. Allah told Hazrat Noah that he would send a powerful flood that would destroy all the non-believers. Allah the Almighty instructed Noah to build an ark. This ark would save Hazrat Noah and his followers. Hazrat Noah gathered wood, tar, and iron and started building a giant ark. People made fun of Hazrat Noah for building an ark on dry land. As per Allah's order, Hazrat Noah gathered a pair of each animal in the ark. A few believers also joined Hazrat Noah. Suddenly Allah sent rain from the sky. Water started pouring from the mountains and valleys. The rain was heavy. The wind blew strongly. Lightning flashed in space. Thunder boomed in the sky. The land got full of gushing fountains. The sky was pouring rain like rivers. The waves swallowed everything on the land, houses, trees, and every living and non-living creature that was out of the ark. Hazrat Noah's ark started moving and floating on the water. Through the ark, Allah protected Hazrat Noah, his true believers, and desired animals. The ark made its way through the waves as the earth had turned into a great sea. Allah drowned all the disbelievers for they disobeyed him and his prophet. Afterward, Hazrat Noah prayed and the water stopped on Allah's order. The ark rested on the top of Mount Judy. Then Hazrat Noah and the believers thanked Allah the Almighty for saving them. Now it's your turn to think and answer the questions below. Question number 1. How did people treat Hazrat Noah when he conveyed them Allah's message? Question number 2. Why did Allah ask Hazrat Noah to build an ark? Question number 3. What did Hazrat Noah take with him on the ark? Question number 4. From where did Allah send all the water? Question number 5. What happened to all the disbelievers? If you like our video, please hit the like button. Subscribe to our channel and share with your friends. Thank you for watching. Dear friends, first I will tell you a short story. You should pay your full attention to the entire story. At the end of the story, a few questions will be asked for your better comprehension. Cain and Abel. Allah the true Lord had created the earth and the heavens, before sending Hazrat Adam and Bibi Hawa to the earth, who had many children. Cain and Abel were two of their sons. Cain was a farmer. He grew vegetables and grains, while Abel was a shepherd, a keeper of goats and sheep. Abel and Cain both loved the same girl and wanted to marry her. This created rivalry between them. Their father, Hazrat Adam, told them to make offerings to Allah. The one whose offering would be accepted by Allah the Almighty would receive a reward, and he would be allowed to marry the girl he loved. Abel chose the best goat from his cattle, and Cain brought a bundle of grain stalks from the field as an offering to Allah the Almighty. Both waited to see whose offering would be accepted. Suddenly a fire came down from heaven and burnt up the goat completely. Nothing happened to Cain's grain stalks. Allah accepted Abel's offering and rejected Cain's. The rejection of Cain's offering made him jealous. One day he asked Abel to go for a walk. While walking, Cain asked Abel, "Why was your offering accepted while mine was rejected?" Abel replied, "Allah accepts the offering of the righteous." This made Cain very angry. He attacked Abel and killed him. But then Cain did not know what to do with the dead body of his brother. He looked around in confusion. He saw a crow nearby burying another crow. Cain followed the crow's action and buried Abel in the same way. But Allah punished Cain for his evil deed, and for the rest of his life, his foot remained stuck to his thigh and his face always faced the sun. Now it's your turn to think and answer the questions below. Question number 1. What was the profession of Cain and Abel? Question number 2. What was the reason to kill Abel? Question number 3. Who gave the idea to bury his brother after his death? Question number 4. What was the fight about? Question number 5. What solution did Adam give to end the conflict? If you like our video, please hit the like button. Subscribe to our channel and share with your friends. Thank you for watching. Dear friends, first I will tell you a short story. You should pay your full attention to the entire story. At the end of the story, a few questions will be asked for your better comprehension. Why Hazrat Yusuf was thrown into the well? Hazrat Yaqub was a prophet of Allah the Almighty. He used to live in the small town of Canaan. The town was situated in the north of Syria. Hazrat Yaqub was blessed with 12 sons. One of his sons, Hazrat Yusuf, was an extremely handsome and good-natured boy. His brother Binyamin loved him very much. Both were from the same mother. One day, little Hazrat Yusuf told his father about a dream. He said, "Father, I saw the sun, the moon and 11 stars bow down before me." His father knew the meaning of the dream. He told Hazrat Yusuf that he would be a prophet of Allah and a powerful king. Hazrat Yusuf was an obedient child, and his father Hazrat Yaqub loved him very much. Unfortunately, this made his 10 brothers jealous. One day they decided to get rid of Hazrat Yusuf. So, they made a plan. They asked their father to send Hazrat Yusuf with them. They said that they wanted to play with him the next day. They took Hazrat Yusuf to a deep well and threw him into it. Then, they took Hazrat Yusuf's shirt and soaked it in sheep's blood. They showed the same shirt to their father and informed him, "Our brother Hazrat Yusuf has died. A wolf has eaten him." On hearing this, Hazrat Yaqub became very sad. He wept bitterly for his beloved son for so many years that became blind. But Hazrat Yaqub's trust in Allah the Almighty remained firm. He prayed to Allah the True Lord and never gave up hope. Hazrat Yaqub believed that one day he and Hazrat Yusuf would be together again. A caravan that was headed to Egypt stopped for water at the well in which Hazrat Yusuf was thrown. They saw a boy in the well and pulled him out. Upon arriving in Egypt, the caravan leader placed Hazrat Yusuf in the market to sell him as a slave. His price increased every day. The minister of Egypt heard about the sale of a very handsome boy in his city, and he came down to see him. He was surprised at the beauty of the boy and paid the highest price at the bidding. The minister of Egypt took Hazrat Yusuf to his palace to serve his beautiful wife, Zuleika. Hazrat Yusuf served the minister and his wife with such honesty and truthfulness that he was made in charge of the minister's household. The minister's wife Zuleika was attracted to Hazrat Yusuf, however, he was not interested in her. Now it's your turn to think and answer the questions below. Question number 1. Whose son was Hazrat Yusuf? Question number 2. How many brothers did Hazrat Yusuf have? Question number 3. Which of Hazrat Yusuf's brothers loved him the most? Question number 4. What did Hazrat Yusuf's brothers do to him? Question number 5. What did Hazrat Yusuf see in his dream? If you like our video, please hit the like button. Subscribe to our channel and share with your friends. Thank you for watching. Dear friends, first I will tell you a short story. You should pay your full attention to the entire story. At the end of the story, a few questions will be asked for your better comprehension. Queen of Sheba and Hoopoe. Hazrat Sulaiman was a prophet of Allah the Almighty. He was given the ability by Allah to understand the languages of birds, animals, and jinns. One day Hazrat Sulaiman asked all birds in his kingdom to gather around him. All of them gathered, except the hoopoe. The hoopoe arrived after a while. He informed Hazrat Sulaiman that the Queen of Sheba Bilqis and her followers worship the sun. On hearing this, Hazrat Sulaiman ordered the hoopoe to deliver a letter to Bilqis. The hoopoe dropped the letter in Bilqis' palace. She read the letter. In the letter, Hazrat Sulaiman asked Bilqis to worship Allah the True Lord, instead of the sun. This message worried Bilqis. She did not want to lose her kingdom. So she asked her messengers to offer Hazrat Sulaiman some wealth. Hazrat Sulaiman refused to accept any wealth. He asked a group of jinns to bring Bilqis's throne to him. When the throne was placed in front of Hazrat Sulaiman, he ordered his servants to hide it by putting a cloth over it. When Bilqis came to Hazrat Sulaiman's palace, Hazrat Sulaiman's followers removed the cloth from the throne. Bilqis was surprised to see her throne there. She realized that humans could not have done something like this. At that moment, she became a believer. Once after seeing Hazrat Sulaiman and his army, the chief of ants warned all ants to hide in anthills. She told Hazrat Sulaiman that she had asked all ants to hide so that they would not forget Allah's glory after seeing Hazrat Sulaiman's glamour. The ant's reply shows us that even the smallest of creatures, like ants, can appreciate Allah's magnificence. Now it's your turn to think and answer the questions below. Question number 1. What special ability did Hazrat Sulaiman possess? Question number 2. Where was the hoopoe when Hazrat Sulaiman gathered all the birds? Question number 3. What did hoopoe tell Hazrat Sulaiman about Queen Bilqis? Question number 4. What did Hazrat Sulaiman ask a group of jinn to do? Question number 5. Who ordered the ants to hide in the anthills? If you like our video, please hit the like button. Subscribe to our channel and share with your friends.